Silver prices have dropped about 25% after a strong run-up. That kind of move is catching a lot of people off guard. Normally, people expect silver to rise during uncertain times, but this drop shows that markets don't always behave the way we think they will. This decline is not random. It is the result of a fast price increase, changing behavior from buyers, and pressure from other parts of the financial system. To understand what's going on, you have to look at what happened before the drop. Silver had already climbed quickly, moving from around $60 to $80, which is a gain of over 33%. I need to pause briefly. My analytics show me that most of you watching this video have not yet subscribed to this channel. Please hit that subscribe button so we can get this information to you the moment it drops. When prices rise that fast, it attracts more buyers, including people who are trying to take advantage of the upward move. But when uncertainty increases, those same people often decide to sell and lock in their gains. If silver then falls from $80 to $65, that's about a 19% decline. And for someone holding 1,000 ounces, that's a change of roughly $15,000. Another key point is how silver is performing compared to other markets. While silver has dropped about 25%, the broader stock market has only fallen around 5%. That tells you silver is not acting like a safe place to store money right now. Instead, it's reacting more like a regular asset that goes up and down based on buying and selling pressure. Interest rates are also playing a role. When safer investments are offering returns of around 4%, some investors choose those options instead of holding silver, which does not pay income. This reduces demand in the short term. At the same time, silver has struggled to stay above key levels like $70, and when it falls below that level to around $66, it signals that buyers are not stepping in strongly enough. In the end, this drop does not mean silver has lost its long-term value. Instead, it shows how markets adjust after moving too far too fast. Prices go up, then they pull back, and during that process, behavior changes. Understanding these patterns can help you stay focused and avoid reacting emotionally to short-term moves.